Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the power marathon. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on battery settings, which are at the very bottom of the list. And here we've got this option, battery percentage. Of course, in my case, it is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and your device will immediately display the percentage inside the battery icon. Unfortunately, this is the only way to show battery percentage. We do not have any other options like showing it next to the battery icon. So this is how to show it or hide it from the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.